In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Exness trading account to MetaTrader 5. This trips up a surprising number of people, but honestly, it's mostly about grabbing the right details before you even open the app. So let's cover exactly what you need and where to find it. Let's dive right in. Before anything else, here's the part that catches almost everyone off guard. The password you use to log into the Exness website is not the same password MT5 needs. MT5 requires a separate trading password tied specifically to your MT5 account, so trying your website login there simply won't work. To grab the right details, log into your Exness account through your browser and head into your personal area, which is essentially your account dashboard. You'll see a list of your trading accounts listed there, so find the specific MT5 account you want to connect, real or demo, whichever you're setting up. Next to it, look for a small cogwheel icon or a three-dot menu and select Account Information. This is where you'll find your account login number, your server name, and the option to view or reset your MT5 trading password if you don't already have it noted down somewhere. Once you've got those three things, your login number, your trading password, and your exact server name, you're ready to actually connect. And this is where the desktop and mobile paths split a bit. Option A, connecting on desktop. If you haven't already, download MT5 either straight from your Exness personal area or from the official MetaTrader website, and install it like you would any other program. Once it's open, click File in the top left corner, then select Login to Trade Account. A small form will pop up asking for your login, password, and server. Type in your MT5 account number in the login field, your trading password in the password field, and then for server, either select yours from the dropdown or type it in manually if it's not showing up. Something like Exness MT5 Real, though your exact one may differ depending on your region and account type. Click OK, and within a few seconds, you should see your account balance and details populate on the Trade tab. Option B, connecting on mobile. Download the MetaTrader 5 app from the Google Play Store or App Store, then open it up. When it asks you to log in, you'll need to search for your broker by name. Type in Exness, and make sure you select the listing specifically labeled Exness Technologies Ltd, since a few lookalike entries can show up in that search too. From there, enter the same login number, trading password, and server you pulled from your personal area earlier, and tap Login. Now, if the connection doesn't go through on either device, 9 times out of 10 it comes down to one thing: a mismatched server name. Go back into your Exness personal area, copy the server name exactly as it's written, and make sure it matches character for character in MT5, since even a small difference will cause the login to fail silently. One more small thing worth knowing: if you connect successfully but notice some trading instruments are missing from your list, press Ctrl and U together to open the symbols window, and you can enable whichever ones aren't currently showing. And that's really the whole process. Grab your MT5 specific credentials from your Exness personal area, plug them into the right fields, and match your server exactly. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.